Good morning friends. Today we are going to learn about how to divide two arrays. So division of two arrays in Numpy. So let us create two arrays. Import Numpy as np.array 1, 4, 6, 8. So I created array A. Now I'm going to create array B. np.array 1, 5, 6, 9. So to divide two arrays we use division operator, and the operands are A and B. That means arrays, two arrays. So the result will be like this. So 1 by 1 is 1, 4 by 5 is 0.8, 6 by 6 is 1, and 8 by 9 is 0.88889, right? So if I mention d type is int, now let us check what happens. And again I perform A by B. Okay, now it doesn't changes. Now again here if I perform d type is int, now can you guess the result will changes or not? No, because it's division, right? So that's why. So in division between two integers will always gives us float. Okay, and in addition, subtraction, multiplication, if the arrays having different shapes, then the result differs. Okay, if the shape is different, then we can get a value error. Okay, we will get a value error. Now let us check whether it happens with division or not. Now I am creating another array np.array with different shape 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, right? Now the shape of C is 6, and the shape of A is 4, so if I perform A by C, now what happens? Same, you will get value error saying that operands could not be broadcast together with shapes, right? So in this way, division operator works in Numpy. So in this way we can divide two arrays.